Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Welcome to HECTANOOGA 1. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this very easy hat, and it's worked in a moss stitch, and you can use any size yarn and any size hooks. This one was worked with a super bulky yarn, and this one was made with 2 strands of worsted weight yarn. For this demo I'm going to work with a 9mm crochet hook and 2 strands of worsted weight yarn. I'm going to start with a slip knot, and I'm going to chain a foundation chain that is 20 inches long. You can use any size yarn, any size hook, so you'll always start out with the foundation chain that is the correct number of inches. Okay, and the demo I'm doing is for ages 5 to 12, and I need a foundation chain that will measure 20 inches, and you need an even number of stitches. So I'm going to slip stitch to join, being careful not to twist the chain, and if I just run the chain through my fingers, I can feel that bump on the other side, and I can make sure that it doesn't twist. So I'm going to slip stitch to join. So I'm going to single crochet in that slip stitch. So 1 single crochet, and I'm going to chain 1, and then I'm going to skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next, and I'm going to repeat that all the way around. Chain 1, skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next, chain 1, skip, single crochet, chain 1, skip, single crochet. So work all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, I have chained 1, and I'm going to slip stitch into that first single crochet. And now every row will be exactly the same. Chain 1, single crochet into the next chain 1 space. Chain 1, single crochet into the next chain 1 space. Chain 1, single crochet into the next chain 1 space. You're going to continue all the way around and for every row until the hat is finished. So it's chain 1, single crochet into the next chain 1 space. So repeat all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, I chained 1, and I'm going to find that first single crochet, and I'm going to slip stitch to join. Chain 1, single crochet in the next chain 1 space. Chain 1, single crochet in the next chain 1 space. And this is called the moss stitch. It's a chain 1 and single crochet in the next chain 1 space. And I'm going to continue in this manner until this hat measures approximately 5.5 inches tall. So I'm going to go on camera and do that, and I'll come and show you how to finish the top of the hat. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've worked until this measures approximately 5.5 inches. And now I'll show you how to finish the top of the hat. Okay, to finish the top of the hat, I'm going to work into the next chain 1 space, and I'm going to single crochet, then skip that single crochet, work into the next chain 1 space, single crochet, go into the next chain 1 space, single crochet, next chain 1 space, single crochet, and I'm going to keep working that all the way around until I've worked a complete row. And you can see I'm closing up the top of the hat, and then I'm going to skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next, and I'm going to keep doing that until the top of the hat is closed. So skip, single crochet, skip, single crochet, skip, single crochet, skip, single crochet, like that. And then you can just fasten off and weave the yarn ends into the finished work. And then if you like, you can add a faux fur pom-pom on the top, and I will put a link below on how to make your own faux fur pom-poms. And I'll also put the link below on how to make these easy fabric flowers. And you can add a flower to the side of your hat. And I also put a link below on how to make your own tags. And I'll also put a link below on how to crochet your own pom-poms. And there you go. That's how easy it is to crochet these moss stitch hats. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.